Let me guess. You're crushing your workouts, skipping desserts, saying no to pizza like a disciplined little pecking machine. But your belly fat still hanging around like an uninvited guest at your backyard BBQ? Frustrating, isn't it? Here's the honest, no-cluckin nonsense truth. You can't boss your body around like a grumpy rooster telling hens what to do. Your body doesn't care where you want to lose fat. It'll burn fat wherever it feels like first. It's just how this barnyard works. Some folks slim down in their face first. Others notice it in their arms, or even their butt. But guess what? It's that stubborn belly fat. Oh yeah, it's always the last to leave the party. It's basically the Karen of body fat, loud, obnoxious, and impossible to evict. And this right here is where most people jump ship. They clean up their diet for a few weeks, expecting their abs to magically pop out. When it doesn't happen fast enough, they freak out. Quit. Go back to lounging on the couch, wings in hand, both the spicy and feathered kind. But you're smarter than that. You're part of the Cluck and Thrive flock now. Here's what you need to know. Fat loss happens everywhere. It's like draining a giant swimming pool. You can't just pick where the water drops first. You've got to lower the whole thing, patiently, inch by inch. And yes, that means staying in a calorie deficit, burning more than you munch. No magical fat-burning smoothies. No bizarre exercises where you flap your wings upside down for 15 minutes. It's just the basics. Eat less than you burn. Move your body. Repeat. Here's the secret weapon nobody talks about. Why you can't target fat loss, you can build muscle in those stubborn areas. Training your core, it won't burn belly fat, but it will make your abs pop like golden eggs once the fat comes off. Leg day won't shrink your thighs overnight, but it'll make them look powerful once the fluff melts. Face fat, sorry. Unless you count dramatic chicken squawks as cardio, you're just gonna have to wait that one out. Look, this isn't fancy advice, but it works. Calorie deficit plus strength training plus not quitting equals fat loss success. It's not magic. It's just biology, patience, and a little poultry-powered perseverance. Don't chicken out now. Stick with it, trust the process, and soon that stubborn fat will fly the coop. Now, who's ready to cluck and thrive?